So here we are, and we're starting the day off with doing a raid and wheezing, and we didn't know that well, we didn't have it. I thought we did have it, that's why I wasn't getting too fussed, and Emma's seen it. Owen's seen it on the nearbys, so we'll try to do it.
And then Daddy Baz got in.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll do it now. Us two doing it in a row.
Me at the gym.
Us two doing it in a row was no good. So hopefully the three of us will be okay. So here we go.
Is that a big top hat?
Yeah, it looks like a big top hat.
Is it a big chimney?
Yeah, so three of us should do it. But just hopefully none of us get kicked off, because the timer is done. And if someone gets kicked off, you can't get back in. Because you go to spin the gym and it's just a normal gym. Yeah. So, there's a flan down.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Daddy Baz and his big mean Pokemon beating it up.
We got to this part in like half the time.
Double the time, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, half the time now? Yeah. Get you now. Get you now. So, yeah. So, we had... what was it we were going to talk about as well? Oh, I'm organising a trade. Trying to organise a trade with someone who's one of my lucky friends. And he wants some shinies. So I've sent him pictures of shinies. And he's got 3 Pokemon that I don't have. Which are... Chatot.
Daddy, we got to hear like with 10 seconds left.
Yeah, what was the other one? Chatot and who else? Heracross and Tropius. So hopefully we'll be able to get some of them. Well, I will. So if I do trades with him, then I'll say to him, because I'm almost sure you're best friends with him.
I don't think I'm lucky. I'm not lucky.
Yeah, he just wants a lucky trade, but he still wants to trade for just normal trades for stuff that he doesn't have. But I think he's after all shinies. So I showed him what shinies I have. So if he doesn't want them, he doesn't want them.
I know one I was going to say, but you're just going to like, no, it's really hard and trade it.
What?
Just like the shiny ho-ho.
Yeah, if you've only got one of them, you wouldn't trade, because you need to collect them too.
I know. Oh, almost got it. We definitely want to do this.
Yeah, because just remember, see all the ones that you can get in Spain. Whenever we finally do go on holiday, we'll be able to get them over there. I bring loads back and trade them.
Yeah, with other people.
Yeah. So if they catch about 1,000, make sure with spaces. Yeah, we're definitely going to do this.
Yeah.
It's so close, look at it. Look at it, but it's cracker looking. I don't know why I didn't get one the last time. Because I think I've only started doing these raids again. And there was a while there I went off and just didn't do raids. Was just doing running and not stopping. But there we are. So we just have to catch it now. Imagine it run away after all this.
I know.
That wouldn't be good, would it?
6 golden.
Oh, TM, rare candy, Hyper Potion, and 5,000 XP if you get more. Or it's 10,000 for the big ones.
We beat Daddy Baz for it.
We got 16.
Because there was 2 of us.
Oh, look at him.
That looks so
Oh,
good.
that's what them things are. The wee clouds around him. I didn't know that they were around him. I just thought it was some sort of Pokemon. So there's it in the Pokeball. Did we get it? Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah, I praise yours now and see what you get.
Didn't go in Pokedex because we already have like the coffin.
Did it not?
No.
Aww. Oh, my buddy threw it back. I got a nice shot. Let me see if my buddy catches it.
Good job, Daddy.
I don't think my buddy's caught one like this before. Aww. Poor wee buddy.
I thought it was going to... Since it takes so long, I think it's just going to run away.
Oh yes, that's the other thing we need to say. We were in 20 gyms the other day. We done our 20 gym challenge. And today, we are in none. Absolutely none of them.
Why?
None at all. Why what?
Why is Cliff still here?
I don't know.
He's still here.
Ah! Still got him. Come on. Is that it? Is that the infamous Jiggles? What was your appraisal?
Like 2 stars.
2? Mine's going to be really, really good with CS. It's going to be 3 stars. It's going to be right off the theatre. 2. Here. Trade while we're here. Yeah?
We can trade these.
Yeah, you can trade these. These are just normal, and we'll see what they go like. Okay.
I wish you
So-
could appraise them.
Yeah,
No,
we'll
wait.
do the trade,
No, I wish
and
you could
then
evolve them.
yeah, that'll end this here. I'm allowed to help Mummy put the stuff away.
Yeah.
So there we are.
Why does these keep
That's
sitting in
this.
there? Better for light.
Yeah, so there's no background. There we are. I'm ready. Oh yeah, I just seen a big delivery of Guinness.
Oh.
So you ready? Confirm.
Yeah.
Let me see. So we're both at 2 stars. And let me see what we get now.
Can I see if it's lucky? Huh?
Okay, what am I? Can I close my eyes? Okay, I'll close my eyes. You tell me when to open them.
You
It's
can
done,
open
it's done
them.
yet?
You can open them.
Right,
Not lucky.
appraise yours. See what you get. 2 stars still. Here's dum
No,
dum
but-
dum dum dum.
All in defense.
Mine's definitely gonna go
It went down.
1 star. I got ripped off. I got absolutely ripped off. Because mine went down. Right, that's us then. So we will go here, and that's us getting a Wheezing. I think it's an Alone, is it? What, is it in there? Does it say Alone?
Oh, yeah, Galarian.
Oh, Galarian. Galarian. I was out a while ago then, so there was a Galarian one. I didn't know. It's a Gladoan one. We got a Gladoan.
I didn't know Galarian was a thing.
Right. So, there we are. Okay, so we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.